This is the first of a few videos that will go through the answers to our exam review. So problem number 1, if BCDE is congruent to OPQR, then segment BC is congruent to which other segment? So remember, the order that the letters matters. So BC, first two letters, that would go with OP. So your answer is A. For problem number 2, angle PMN. Angle PMN is this angle here. It has 3 congruent markings, so it will match with the angle with 3 congruent markings. So A will be your vertex. So the only one with A as the vertex, angle CAB. Number 2. Number 3, we have a similarity statement. Triangle QRS is congruent to triangle TUV. So that means QS and TV are equal to each other. So when you do the algebra, 4V plus 1 equals 5V minus 7. So do the algebra quickly, and you should get V equals 8. And they didn't ask us to find the length. They said find the length of QS and TV. So 8 is not the correct answer. We need to substitute 4 times 8 plus 1. The correct answer is 33. So make sure on the exam to read the full question. Number 4, the two triangles are congruent. So we want to find the value of B. So B would go with 15, since these are congruent and they're not turned around in any way. So B would equal 15. For number 5 in the proof, we want to do the last 2 steps. So mark the diagram. RS is congruent to UT. RT is congruent to US. ST is congruent to itself. That's reflexive property. And then the triangles are congruent by side, side, side. So when we look at this, wrong. So I'm looking for reflexive property, side, side, side. C. Number 6, which pair of triangles is congruent by angle, side, angle? Well, this has 2 sides, so that's out. Again, 2 sides and an angle. That's not correct. Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. So this one looks like it's probably good. Let's just check D. This one has angle, angle, side. So your correct answer is B. Problem number 7. Can you use side, angle, side, or both? So the first thing I do is I look at the problem and I say I can do the vertical angles. I cannot mark any other sides. I do not know any other sides. So I do not have side, angle, side. That's out. I can only use angle, angle, side. The reason I can use angle, angle, side is because if 2 angles are congruent, the third angle will automatically be congruent. So this is angle, angle, side. For number 8, missing reasons. The triangles are congruent, so we have vertical angles are congruent. Angle N and Q were given, and OQ are given. So the first thing is the triangles are congruent by angle, side, angle. And therefore, the segments that were not marked can be congruent by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So ASA, CPCTC. For number 9, we have an isosceles triangle. That means the base angles are congruent. So this angle is 68. To find your missing angle, do 180 minus 2 times 68. And that gives us 44 degrees. For number 10, B, D, and F are midpoints. That means these are mid-segments. So if EC is 30, DF is 17, we want AC. So AC is here. AC is parallel to mid-segment FD. And if you remember the mid-segment, is half of this side. So each of these would be 17, so 17 times 2 is 34. This was extra information we didn't need.